7 Astonishing Secrets of Karakuri Ningyō. Are you ready to witness ancient ingenuity like never before? Bon bon bon! Hello, everyone! I'm Dr. Tokimeki from Tokimeki channel, your guide to Japan's most ingenious secrets. At Tokimeki channel, our mission is to spark that Tokimeki, that electrifying thrill of discovery, in every viewer. We aim for 1 million subscribers by the end of 2025 and 10 million in 3 years. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of Karakuri Ningyō. ChatGPT has compiled these 7 astonishing secrets about Karakuri Ningyō. But did it capture the full magic? I'm here to add those extra details that only a true Japanese culture enthusiast can provide. Number 7. The Ingenious Origins. Karakuri Ningyō began during the Edo period as mechanical puppets to entertain guests in tea houses. Their clever clockwork mechanisms amazed audiences even without electricity. Number 6. The Mechanism Magic. These automata operate with a harmonious blend of gears, springs, and levers. Some even perform tea-serving routines by bowing, walking forward, and returning, an ancient form of robotics. Number 5. The show must go on. Karakuri Ningyō were the stars of Edo entertainment, delighting audiences at festivals and gatherings. Their performances were not only a marvel of engineering but also a source of pure joy. Number 4. Legends in Motion. There are fascinating tales about certain Karakuri dolls predicting fortunes or even being considered gifts from deities. These legends add a mystical aura to the automata, making them more than just mechanical marvels. Number 3. Inspiring modern robotics. The ingenious designs of Karakuri Ningyō laid the groundwork for today's advanced robotics. Their legacy lives on in modern automation and engineering innovations across Japan. Number 2. Modern Karakuri creations. Today, artisans and hobbyists continue to craft Karakuri Ningyō, blending traditional techniques with modern technology. These new creations keep the spirit of Edo innovation alive, offering interactive kits and displays that even you can try at home. And finally, number 1. The Futuristic Karakuri. Imagine a cyborg-inspired doll with digital gears, neon LED accents, and a sleek metallic body, a perfect fusion of Edo ingenuity and futuristic innovation. ChatGPT envisioned a design that's truly out of this world. Let's see what our AI can generate. Watch this in action. I'm feeding our AI the following prompt to create a futuristic Karakuri Ningyō. Wow, that's absolutely wild, a perfect glimpse of ancient ingenuity reimagined for the future. Quick quiz time! Which component is essential for a traditional Karakuri Ningyō? A. Gears, B. Springs, or C. Hydraulic systems? Think fast! The answer is B. A harmonious blend of springs and gears. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. There you have it, 7 astonishing Karakuri Ningyō secrets, from their ingenious origins to a futuristic vision that redefines innovation. Which secret sparked your Tokimeki the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, Tokimeki channel is on a mission to spread the thrill of discovery, Tokimeki, worldwide. We aim for 1 million subscribers by 2025 and 10 million in 3 years. If you enjoyed this video, Please hit the subscribe button, like, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for our next adventure, where ChatGPT and I might explore the mind-blowing world of Japanese automata or reveal other hidden treasures of Japan. Until next time! Bon bon bon!